Hi everyone, my name is Anna Lear and I'm from Ukraine. And today I would like to share with you my experience from participating in 30 days face toning challenge organized by Fumiko Takatsu. Because I was just amazed by the results and by changes happening in my life from the very first day of this challenge. Frankly speaking, it was my first experience participating in such kind of online activities because I was really skeptic about the result of of these activities. But surprisingly, I was really satisfied and happy to take this risk. Starting from the very beginning, I would like to give you the reasons why actually I decided to participate in this face toning challenge. Because I wanted to refresh my skin. I'm a young mother and sleepless nights and not enough sleep and not enough sometimes eat, not enough meal, etc., etc. So it influences not very well the face skin. Then of course all of us we have our our wishes to improve certain parts of our face symmetry or I don't know, the position of anything, or maybe to make the cheeks smoother and to get off the wrinkles, the lines, etc., etc., because of the age, because of the nutrition, because of something. So it was the first reason. The second reason was my love to yoga. Body yoga gives a lot of benefit to the body, to the spirit, to the mind. But for me, it was really curious to know what's face yoga, because I've never even thought, and I've never heard about this, and it was really curious for me to discover it, and of course to experience. And another reason was that my impression and my inspiration from Fumiko, our coach. She is a great woman. She is very positive, energetic, motivating, supportive. Everything, all the compliments, positive compliments that I can find, I can really address to her because she is just wonderful. So when I saw her on YouTube, then I followed her webinar and I was very motivated. I wanted to start to study from her. So from the very beginning, from the first day of the challenge, I really felt these changes happening in me. First of all, inside the discipline of the face caring routine, starting from the 100 splashes in the morning and then applying the masks, yogurt masks and white egg masks, actually advised by Fumiko, then applying the homemade creams also made by her recipes. um, it worked. It worked and the skin was happy and I saw the difference, and not only me but my surrounding, the closest one, and the my family, and also the neighbors, the friends. They saw that something was happening. So it motivated me, of course. And also my baby, he was also very engaged in this activity because all the time, he was repeating after me this exercises and going around the house and saying wow, 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 or big oh, or tapping his face. It was so funny. Also I wanted to continue. I wanted to see the result, and I was really super engaged in this challenge. I know that it will take time. I mean, to see the global results. But as we know, everything can be changed step by step, and our wrinkles and lines, we or the state of our skin, we get with years, right? We don't pay attention, or we don't care, or doesn't matter. So it will take time, but I really believe in it. I really believe in the result, and because I feel it. I feel it. Um, well, talking about also the organization of the process, the organization was just amazing because we had the support team from the organizers themselves, And then, of course, on the Facebook page, the group was created, a closed group was created, where all the members of the challenge were united, and we discussed the things, the changes, we discussed the activities, we discussed the exercises, the problems, etc., etc. So it was very, very motivating. It was just wonderful when unknown people from all over the world, they united and they became a family. So yes, we felt not abandoned. On the contrary, we felt the members of one big yoga face yoga family. So thank you so much. I promise that I will continue with my daily routine, because now all these steps that I got used to, it's a part of my life, inevitable part of my life, and I know I can't without it. I can't without hot water. I can't without 100 splashes, and I can't without face yoga. So thank you so much, and see you very soon. Bye.